matter if I tell you that you can download music from Spotify to your offline music player or to your phone just 100% free, quick and easy. I know you have watched millions of YouTube videos like this one on how you can achieve that, but it didn't work. But in today's video, I will show you from A to Z ABC method on how you can do that in just a second. If something you are interested in, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future update like this one. I'm about to flip the screen to show you everything you need step by step. Make sure you don't skip ahead. Watch up to the end before you can go and do the process. Go to your Spotify. Once you are on the home page, use the search bar. Search for the song you want to download. Okay. This is the song I want to download. Click on the song that you want to download. Okay. Click the three dots menu icon. Click the share button. Copy the link of the song. Once you copy the link of the song, leave it as it is. Go to your Google. Once you are on your Google homepage, use the search bar and type Spotify downloader. Spotify downloader. Click the first option that is here. Paste the link of the song that you copied from Spotify. Okay, paste the link here. Click download. Wait for a second. Okay, the song is already here. Click download. Wait for a second. Alright, choose the MP3 format for better result. As you can see up my screen, the file is already downloaded to my file. Okay, let's go and check it out. This is my file. As you can see, let's go there and check it out. Go to audio. Go to download. As you can see, this is the song I downloaded from Spotify right now into my offline file. Okay, let's check it out. As you can see, the song is already in my file. So go and try it and let's see. Let me know in the comment section.